Hey guys, me Matt's World, and I am outside right now. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, bye guys.